let's be real, the 9-to-5 grind can be brutal. The monotony of the daily routine can wear anyone down. Trading time for money gets old fast. The endless cycle of working just to pay bills can feel like a never-ending treadmill. I was stuck in that rut, dreaming of financial freedom. I wanted more than just a paycheck. I wanted a life of possibilities. That's when I discovered Airbnb. It was like a light bulb went off in my head. This platform wasn't just about renting out spaces. It was a chance to build a passive income stream. I saw an opportunity to create a new revenue source. I was ready to start a side hustle to supplement my income. The idea of working on something new was exhilarating. Airbnb offered flexibility and the potential for serious cash flow. It was a game changer for someone looking to break free from the traditional work model. But I knew it wouldn't be a walk in the park. There were challenges ahead, and I had to be prepared. Competition was fierce, and managing listings felt daunting. The market was saturated, and standing out was crucial. I needed an edge, something to streamline the process and maximize my earnings. With the right strategy, I knew I could turn this opportunity into a thriving business. Enter ChatGPT, my secret weapon in the Airbnb game. This AI tool has completely transformed how I manage my listings and interact with guests. This AI powerhouse revolutionized my entire approach. From automating mundane tasks to providing insightful data, it has been a game changer. ChatGPT became my virtual assistant, handling tasks that used to eat up hours of my time. No more feeling overwhelmed with endless to-do lists. Creating compelling listing descriptions? Check. It crafts descriptions that highlight the best features of my property, attracting more potential guests. Crafting personalized guest messages? Check. It ensures every guest feels special and well-informed, enhancing their overall experience. Generating engaging content for my Airbnb social media? Double check. It helps me maintain a vibrant online presence, drawing in more bookings. ChatGPT's ability to analyze data and tailor responses was a game changer. It provided insights that I never even considered before. It helped me understand what guests were looking for and how to present my listings in the best possible light. This led to more effective marketing strategies. The results? More bookings, happier guests, and a serious boost to my bottom line. ChatGPT has truly been a revolutionary tool in my Airbnb journey. So, how did I use ChatGPT to rake in the big bucks on Airbnb? First, I focused on crafting irresistible listing descriptions. ChatGPT helped me identify keywords that attracted guests and wrote descriptions that highlighted the unique selling points of my properties. Next, I used ChatGPT to personalize my guest communication. From pre-booking inquiries to post-stay follow-ups, every interaction felt tailored and genuine. Finally, ChatGPT became my secret weapon for managing reviews. It helped me craft thoughtful responses to both positive and negative feedback, building trust with potential guests, and showcasing my commitment to providing exceptional experiences. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, I was able to revolutionize my approach to hosting. I transformed my Airbnb side hustle into a six-figure income stream, turning what was once a small venture into a thriving business, enjoying the flexibility and financial freedom I always craved. My advice to aspiring Airbnb entrepreneurs? Start by understanding your market and your guests' needs. Embrace the power of AI. Use it to gather insights, automate tasks, and personalize guest experiences. Use tools like ChatGPT to streamline your operations, enhance your listings, and manage bookings efficiently. Connect with guests on a deeper level by responding promptly and thoughtfully to their inquiries. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas and constantly optimize your strategies. Analyze your data regularly to understand what works and what doesn't. The Airbnb landscape is competitive, with many hosts vying for guests' attention. But with the right tools and a sprinkle of AI magic, you can stand out from the crowd. You can achieve incredible results, see your bookings soar, and your reviews glow. Ultimately, consider Airbnb as a way to diversify your income and unlock the passive income stream of your dreams. Live the lifestyle you've always wanted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and insights.